North Carolina medical officials say they have identified 576 whooping cough cases statewide in the last 5 days. Officials say cases have also risen significantly since last year. Federal health officials say whooping cough reports declined during and after the COVID pandemic, but now they're seeing whooping cough returning to pre-pandemic patterns. Queen City News reporter Shakira Speaks hears from Rowan County officials about the sickness and its effects.
The CDC says the incidence of pertussis or whooping cough in the U.S. is cyclical, with peaks every 3 to 5 years as the number of susceptible people in the population increases. Now health officials are seeing cases in all age groups, but mainly in school-aged children and infants. And now North Carolina is seeing a big jump. Doctors say if you hear that sound, you never forget it.
The whooping type cough that we see in infants and young children can cause children to lose their breath. It is just a really, really severe cough.
Health officials say the contagious bacterial infection is becoming more prevalent. This time last year, North Carolina only had 83 cases, and right now, that number sits at 576. There are over 25,000 cases across the nation right now, compared to 5,404 cases last year. It normally affects young school-aged children, but medical providers say adults are also coming in with symptoms.
Anyone can get it. Anyone could be affected. So when we have our pregnant ladies that are coming in, it's advised that they get a Tdap with each pregnancy, and that's to protect themselves, but also to protect the unborn baby.
Rowan County Health Department nurse Meredith Littell says providers encourage everyone to stay up to date with their vaccines, like Tdap. It includes whooping cough.
It's like any vaccine. It's not going to be 100% protection, but it's going to give you more protection than if you don't get it.
Doctors say staying healthy and vaccinated is not just good for you.
Your grandparents will thank you if you don't bring your respiratory virus to them. Your grandchildren will thank you. Also the same thing, if your grandchildren are sick or the children you're around sick, don't take them to other places.
Health authorities say the pandemic measures of hand washing and social distancing could reduce chances of getting the infection. For now, reporting in North Carolina, Shakira Speaks, Queen City News.